everyone, hi YouTube, welcome back. My name is Ken. I just want to show a quick one. I just got something from Gucci. I am in Rome right now, so today is my first day. Let me do the unboxing together. Dun, 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 dun. I got this Gucci, I don't know what is this name, but I was contemplating between this one and the other bag, which I will try to insert a picture here. I think this one fits better, and this one has 3 zipper, as you can see, and I feel that my items will be much more organized as compared to the other piece. Let me show you inside. How big is it? And let me remove some of the things. Okay, there you go. So inside the first back pocket, there's like 1-2 card slot, and the depth is about this. And the middle finger, oops. The middle pocket is actually bigger, as you can see. And the first pocket, which is on the front. And I decided to get this one because A, I think it's much more slimmer, and B, I think it's because there's 3 pockets. I think it's easier for me to organize my stuff, and hence I go with this one instead of the small, I don't know what's that name, which I prefer. This strap is adjustable, and yeah, adjustable. It comes with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes, and I was using the middle one, all right? Not middle finger. Joking. So I'll try to share with you how it looks on me. This is how it looks like. So I think it's pretty slim and it's very lightweight, so when you put your things, you don't feel too heavy, you know what I mean? So I hope you love this very short, I'm not too sure how organized it is, but please let me know what you think about this bag and if you own it. And I would love that if you subscribe to my channel. That will motivate me to do more. I see you guys again. Bye. Have a lovely day. Stay blessed. Bye.